Be wary when someone emphasizes the fact that they are a pleasant person, that you should trust them immediately, or highlights their trustworthiness without any prompting from you. Manipulators who are harmful and oppressive exaggerate their ability to be benevolent and caring. They frequently reveal to you that you should trust them without first establishing a strong foundation of trust. They may play out an abnormal state of compassion and sympathy at the beginning of the relationship to deceive you, only to reveal their phony cover later on. However, as their phony veil begins to lift, they reveal their genuine self to be unnervingly insensitive and scornful. People who are actually nice rarely need to work hard to show off their positive qualities. They radiate their glow more than they talk about it because they understand that actions speak louder than words, and that trust and regard are a two-way street that requires correspondence, not redundancy. Examining why a person might exaggerate their positive qualities is a good deterrent. Is it because they believe you don't confide in them? Or because they know you shouldn't? Trust actions over empty words, and consider how someone's actions influence their identity rather than who they claim to be.